new floors working out?
Since we went with the new wood, everything seems to be a lot more stable and a lot less prep time before we put the flooring down. Not as much leveling as we had in the prior when we were going to thinner layers. I'm really liking this new floor. A couple of the spots that we found that were issues prior, all the notes that Ian took, really helped out a lot, cut a lot of time down in the installation process.
That's great. And you've changed the shimming as well, haven't you, Charlie?
Yeah, we identified a couple of spots that were weak, especially where we have the heated floor cutouts. So by adding extra shimmy, it made everything a lot more stable, a lot less potential for squeaks.
And this is a 13-ply plywood now, and it costs a couple $100 more a van, but the quality improvement based on using this is way better, and we're saving a few hours, right, Charlie?
Oh yeah, probably good 5 hours, maybe even more during the whole process.
Great. Well, this is great, and this is 3/4 inch and allows us to run the plumbing under the floor, and there's a heat trace line where the plumbing goes under the floor in case it gets cold from the bottom up. The heat trace line is thermostatically controlled, so it's only on when needed. And what are you using to glue the floor down? It looks like you got glue everywhere there.
This is a Manus Bond 1-part adhesive.
All right. And the good part of that is we never have to take a floor back up, right?
Well, that's correct.
Okay. Hey, thanks a lot. Thanks, Matt. Thanks, Charlie.
No problem.